Santos.
Dito kami ngayon sa Immaculate Conception. Dito kami nagpamasahe. After ng misa, pumasok kami para magpa-blessing ng kalaspas. Kahit sobrang dami ng tao, pinilit namin makapasok.
Si Pano, Pedro.
Drew near Jerusalem and came to Bethphage on the Mount of Olives, Jesus sent two disciples, saying to them, "Go into the village opposite you,